गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल अकेडमी ऑफ हार्ड वर्कर्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम अपनी इंग्लिश की पहली क्लास शुरू करते हैं, जिसमें इंग्लिश की कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म्स मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जो बहुत ही बेसिक यानी कि इंग्लिश का आधार, इंग्लिश ग्रामर अगर आपको पढ़ना है तो उसका बिल्कुल आधार बातें हैं। देखिए, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं अल्फ़ाबेट्स। अल्फ़ाबेट्स क्या हैं? अल्फ़ाबेट्स हमारे लेटर्स हैं जो कि स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है, स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश। Letters are 26 in number and they are divided into two parts. First is vowel, second is consonant. But there is an other part is also which is called semi-vowel. Semi-vowel. Total 26 are divided in vowel. There are 5 in vowel, 2 in semi-vowel and 21 in consonant. It means these two sometimes go there, sometimes go there. They works like an independent letter. These are Y and W. Clear? Y and W. Now this is the first step, and second one is word. After reading about alphabet or letter, we will talk about word. What is word? Word is a group of letters which has a meaning. Example: cat is a word. This word has 3 letters, C, A and T. If we write this T, C, A, these 3 letters have been exchanged or replaced. Now this is not a word. This is not a word. This is meaning. That's why it will be called a word. Words are divided into 8 parts. Which are as follows: na, pak, VIP. It is a trick to learn this. Now we will expand. N stands for noun. A stands for adjective. P stands for pronoun. C stands for conjunction. A stands for adverb. V stands for verb. I for interjection, and P stands for preposition. Which is called the basic of grammar. It means we have to study of words. We have to study of words and we will gain 50 or 80% of language English. Next, word is a second stage. Next is phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of arranged words which has meaning, but not complete. We will take an example that in the corner, on the bench, in your mouth, and fourth is clause. Which is part of sentence. That's why we will read first sentence, and now you will understand what is clause. Sentence is a group of words which has complete meaning. Sentence is divided into two parts. First is structure based, second is sense based. This is clause, which is a structure based sentence. In this part of sentence we will read about clause. What is clause? Clause is nothing else a part of a subject which has a finite verb and a predicate. That means a sentence which has also its complete meaning is called clause, but sometimes it doesn't has its complete meaning, then it will be called subordinate clause. We will read this in further classes. Now I want to tell you what are four parts of a structure based sentence. First is simple sentence. Second is coordinate. Third is subordinate. And fourth is mixed. These four parts of a sentence are clause. We will read about clause in these four parts. Now we will talk about the sense-based sentences. These are 5 in numbers. First is assertive. Second is interrogative. Third is imperative. Fourth is exclamatory. And fifth is optative. Now this is a basic term or basic grammar or basic knowledge to understand the language English. Now I want to tell you about the structures of language English. What is the structure? Now we will talk about the structure because it is important for reading, listening, pronouncing, understanding, now we will talk about the structure of language English. What is structure? Every language of the world, every language of the whole world has its script. Structure is called structure of language English is, first of all, we write subject, then verb, then object. If we need helping verb, we adjust that here before verb and after subject in a simple statement, in a declarative statement. Now we will talk about subject, verb and object. What is subject? What is subject? Subject is the doer. Doer means the person who is doing an action. Who is doing an action is subject. And object is a thing, a noun. It may be person or thing. On that the effect of action. On that the effect of action is going on. Like, I am reading novel. In this sentence, we have to find out the verb, the action word. Which is the action word? Now reading is an action verb. Clear? We have to ask the question who. Who is reading? Who is reading novel? That means I am reading. Then I is subject and the doer of action is I. Now we will ask, what am I doing? What am I reading? What? Answer is novel. This is the object. Now I hope you have understood that what is subject and what is object. Clear? The subject is a doer and object is the thing or person on that effect of doing is going on. That means novel. If I am reading something, that thing is novel, that is object. The effect of my reading is on novel. And who is reading? I am reading. That means who is a question which is asked to the verb to find out the subject. And what is the question word which is asked to the verb for asking, for finding the object. Clear? I hope यहाँ तक आप सबको अच्छे से समझ आया होगा और अच्छा लगा होगा, आपको कुछ नया मिला होगा। तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरी ये वीडियो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम आपको कुछ और भी अच्छा और इंटरेस्टिंग बताएंगे। थैंक्स।